What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome, my viewers and subscribers. Welcome and good morning to this beautiful and wonderful Wednesday morning. Welcome back, guys, to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. How you do? How you stay? Alright? I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And as always, guys, I hope you're not feeling no pain. If you are feeling any pain at all, remember what you do. Check the doctor, call the doctor, go to the doctor, make the doctor come at your home if you have the money. But if you don't have the money, don't worry yourself. We is going to help you to reach, because we go call your brother, your sister, your uncle, your granny, your grandmother, your great-grandmother, your grandmother-in-law, your sister-in-law, your friend-in-law, all your enemy-in-law, we go call. Everybody we go call. Somebody go come help you. Guys, wellness check. Uno do the wellness check, yes? Please, me I beg you, do the wellness check for your friends and your family, all your enemy. Make sure them alright. If they're not alright, call the doctor. 2, make the doctor go check them out, or make somebody bring them to the doctor, because mental health crisis is not a joke. And guys, always remember the have not. It's not only food you can remember the have not with. You can remember the have not by giving them clothing, food, or shelter, or take them to the authority to help them out. Guys, if it's your birthday today, happy birthday to you. And remember, if you drink, don't drive, get a driver. And if you take taxi, take a picture of the license plate, take a picture of the vehicle, and if you can take a picture of the driver, send it to somebody so them can keep it, that if in case anything should happen to you, them know which path you go, and if you play hide and seek with authorities. Now, my viewers and subscribers, thank you very much for subscribe, thank you very much to watch the video, thank you very much for do all you know do for the channel. Guys, 13,000 subscribers, yeah, and over 2 million views so far on the channel. Guys, I have a little merch site where you can go and purchase merch. And the merch that I sell, guys, is take your power back and you are not alone. More is coming. So right now, there's only cups and mats, yoga mats and t-shirts and those things on there, but more will be coming. So guys, there'll be a link down below where I'll be selling some merch, so just check it out, purchase something, or if you don't purchase nothing, share it is good. Now guys, I want to talk about something that is just a breath of fresh air from me. And it's a breath of fresh air from who else? Colaz Smith. Yeah, man. Colaz, manners and respect, General. Enough respect to you. And Colaz Smith, before me go into the video, me want to make people know, say, you, Colaz Smith, know who I am. Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV, yeah? Because you don't know how me make video. Me make video, when me see the truth, me talk the truth. When me know the truth, me talk the truth. When me see something where me no like, me talk about it. So me not there on one side, me just in the middle, and me go left and me go right. Yeah? So everybody's supposed to know how me is by now. But you know, Colaz, me see you over Thailand there. And me I tell you the truth, me see you interviews them. Me see you. And suppose me tell you this. Me respect what you do. Me like what you do. Me love what you do. Live life, youth. Yeah, man. Colaz, me no want go in on a plane for more than 3 or 4 hours. You gone in a plane for a whole heap of hours. Me respect what you do. Go and do your thing, youth. And remember this. You said something last night where really young youths need to sit down and watch and look and listen. When you say them to sit down and look and say, them would want to be like you, them would want to travel like you, them would want to be in the position like you. You see what I say? Me respect that. Me love that. Enough respect for that. But you don't know what? You call my name, listen me good enough. You call my name, you call Oliver name, you call over name. But I mean I forgot like how you'd have forgot. You call Lord God. You call a bunch of names. You couldn't remember enough of them. Just like how me just can't remember them either. But you call a bunch of names. You are talk about some people where highlight you and talk about you, and you even give a shout out to the haters. Yes, you even give a shout out to the haters. And brother, let me tell you something. Me I listen to you and me I say to myself, say, yo, the brother are doing thing. And me can see the happiness in you. Yeah man. For a very long time, me can see the happiness in you making that video in the Colaz. And when me I watch the video and me did it, I mean I laugh still and me I reflect upon looking at a poor man pitney. I come from far and which part you reach and which part you push yourself and put yourself. And me say to myself, say, thank you God for guide and protect the youth. For reach which part him reach. And the youth now stop. The youth that's a go on. And me I tell you, you see when me hear you, hold on, yes, me remember some of my name them now. Me hear you call a Jim Rock name. And me I tell you the truth. Let me look on it and me I say to myself, say, yeah man, it's a good thing. That's a good look. And you call, man, me can't me can't remember my name them what you call, but me I tell you call a couple people name and you try to remember a whole heap of people name. You couldn't remember everybody. Which we all understand that. But Colaz, you know which part of the video me really sit back like so. Me cheer kind of make now, me cheer kind of home, I have to go buy a new one. You know which part that when me hear the part of the video, when me hear you say, hold on, people. Hold on, people. Me gonna listen to what Colaz himself say. Hold on. Listen to what Colaz himself say. Listen.
I hate that. I just love and blessings. And remember this now. Colaz in 2026 is a different Colaz from yesteryear. You see me? Different from 2025. A brand new Colaz this. You see me? More focused, more driven, more like humble. And let me tell you, when we use the word humble, see, when I want to get it twisted, don't feel like humble mean nobody can feel like say they can walk over you or tell you what them feel like to tell you or give you what them feel like to give you. No, that's not the definition of being humble. See me? Yeah, but we don't have to know them things there. We're humble, we're militant, but if them get to cross, you understand? Yeah. But at the same time, listen more, talk less, be more, observant. You see me? Yeah man. But most importantly, focus is the way. Okay? Yeah man, big up Dana British TV too. See, some of the names them just jump in my brain as we go along. Yeah man, Savvy's Hot Kitchen, big up yourself same way. Yeah. If me did come and do this, I would have to write a list still. You see me, but I just want to do a quick little video for me to know say I appreciate you guys. Yeah, I appreciate you guys. So blessings, big up on yourself and when you just go on the right thing. Because we know say at the end of the day, YouTube is a platform where it can change your life. See? And for some people, them choose to use it in a negative way. Negative way, but them still make a living off of it. So I guess it worked. See? Yeah man, I guess it worked. And ground God, I see them beat your body now and look away and talk about things. I just tell you say yo, just stay focused. See, don't pay attention to too much of what go on. Yeah? Yeah man. Just block them out. You see me? Yeah man, put a mental block. Plug your ears them. That's all I can say. And just do the right thing behind your youth them, because at the end of the day, you know, people change, people come, people go. But we are here. You see me? Yeah man, so go and nobody follow what go on, yeah? That time at. Yeah. Yeah man, I just loan positive vibes and good energy. So we just want to say God is the greatest.
Guys, you hear me I say? When I listen to Colaz, I hope the haters them I listen to Colaz too. Because Colaz I say to ground God. Ground God must stay focused and black out the noise. Black out the noise, cock up our ears, and do the thing for your youth them. Because people change. Yeah man. At that Colaz I say, many people may not expect Colaz to say anything to ground God or about ground God situation. But that's what Colaz Smith say about ground God and ground God situation. Colaz say, keep focus, black out the noise, no listen to them, just stay focused. Ground God, I hope you listen to what Colaz Smith say now, because remember, me have to say this. Remember, Colaz did I talk to you? But as Colaz say, people change and as so life go. So right now, Colaz I talk to you again. So me hope you all listen to what Colaz I say. Keep focus, because once a year, Colaz, I call your name and I say, keep focus, black out the noise, just keep focus upon you and your youth them. Keep focus. That means he must send you a message, a real good message, where any good people are going to send you a good message. Keep focus, stand strong, stay blessed, and remember, keep your head straight. You can do it. Yeah, man. And me and a lot more people, and even Colaz believe in you. You can do it. Remember, Jimmy Cliff said, you can do it if you really want, but you must try. Try and try. Try and try. Me not gonna sing the rest. No, me not gonna sing the rest. But remember, you can do it. And guys, when you hear Colaz say, 2026 is a different Colaz, but do not believe you just go, just talk and just run up in at him. Colaz say, more focus in depth on a different level. So guys, hear the man say, YouTube can change your life. Because YouTube changed for him. Some people I use it the negative way, but as him said, them still make money off of it. But if you use it the better way, the good way, it can change your whole entirely life. Now guys, there's a lot to learn from Colaz Smith. Yes, there's a lot to learn from Colaz Smith, guys, but many people do not want to learn anything from Colaz Smith because it's all about who is stronger and who is more dominant and who is this and who is that. So guys, I just do this video just for outline when we see Colaz Smith, because that was very good of Colaz Smith to really send a nice message to ground God. Yeah man, I believe, to me feel it. I don't know me, tell me feel it in a way if you know say Colaz take a time out. And overall, let me say this. Yes, I see here in big up Dana British too. and him big up Swizzle at kitchen. Swizzle, if you watch that video, yeah, you don't know, me always accompany live in a Swizzle in the kitchen. And Swizzle, you know, say enough thing you tell me from long time where me start to put in a me thing and it a work. Swizzle, enough respect to you because enough people don't know say enough Swizzle me watch in the brain, enough colors too, and enough people and put them in a me thing and I go and take me time. So, you hear what me I say? People, just think about the thing. YouTube can change your life. Yes, it can change your whole entirely life. So, guys, but you know, guys, that video wasn't supposed to be a long video. Just like how Colaz said, the video was supposed to be a long video. But listen to me. Colaz Smith, you take the time out to big up where you see I go on, big up the people and where you see push out some things out there, where talk things about you and you take a time out to you also big up the haters them. But you hear me I say, brother, give a thanks. Enough respect, enough manners to you. Guys, I want to, before me done that video, I want to just say something. And this is the same thing where half our colors just say a while ago. Because if you don't notice me, 2026 is a different me. I focus, and I try work the channel and I try to build upon my YouTube journey. Thank you very much for a follow with the journey. Guys, I notice I'm making some videos, yeah? And there is two individual. I don't know who they are. I not go call them name. I not go say what their handle is. I won't say nothing within their name. But I'm going to say this to you two people. I see what you know I do. Yes, man. Me see what you know I do. I make couple videos. And under the videos, I realize you're not trying to start a little problem, yeah? I'm not trying to start something because the only way some of you survives is on gossip videos and making people having beef with each other. But I realize that two of you, under the video where I make, two of you come under there and said, I am making reference to Oliver Lifestyle, Oliver Unfiltered, Oliver No Mercy. But to me I go say this to you two people. If you are looking for a animosity, a beef, a problem, a outburst on YouTube towards me and Oliver, let me tell you this. You not go see that. You not go see that. You will never see me and Oliver in any form of hot water on YouTube. Never. Look, hold on a little bit. Let me take off my glass. You and your cronies and your friends will never see me and Oliver in any form of argument on YouTube. Let me put on my glass back. You will never see that. Never see that. Oliver is Oliver. Oliver making videos or him want making videos. Me or nobody cannot tell Oliver how to making videos. Oliver is a good youth. Oliver is a respectful youth. Oliver, still like how him stay, is just a plain, outspoken brother. So, when you say, me make my video, if I don't call a person name in it, you all out there, stop telling me that I am talking about Oliver when I am not talking about Oliver one bit. Because guess what happened? I don't show shades. If I am going to talk about Oliver or anybody, I'm going to talk about them raw. So when you all come out and say, me I talk about Oliver, do not put anything out there in the here, make it look like I am making videos towards Oliver. Stop it. Because if you want to look for see me and Oliver in an argument, you don't know go and see that. Me respect Oliver. Oliver is who Oliver is. Stop trying to put things in the man's head. Say me I talk about him. If you not hear me use Oliver name in my mouth, do not come under me comment and say Oliver me attack. Don't do that. That's disrespectful. That trying to start something out of nothing. That's rude. That's how we live. That's not how I am living. This is 2026 and I am on a different part of the YouTube street. You see Mr. Bean? Huh? Mr. Bean videos there's no video that Mr. Bean make that have under 1 million views. No video. Every single video Mr. Bean make, the watch time on it is over 1 million views. I want to hold on a little bit. I don't even want to be like Colaz. I want to be way past Colaz, gone way past Mr. Bean one of these days. That's my goal. Right now, me a shoot to go catch Colaz. And me just that 13,000 and him that way over so. But me a shoot to go catch Colaz. So listen to me, people. Apart from me fender, nasty nigga. Anywhere me go, uno just a falla. No come over here so I try start no beef with nobody. Come here Oliver no in a no beef. Apart from me fender, nasty nigga. Anywhere me go, uno just a falla. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, uno don't know, uno hear where Colaz I say, he must send out some good words to Grungad, and I hope Grungad listen to what Colaz I say, because at the end of the day, him a talk truth. Black them out, don't listen to them. Just live the life you love the life you live, and you don't know I say it goes. So, guys, on the behalf of Rodney's Lifestyle, Real Talk TV, now say a word, peace and love. And guys, remember the merch them. Remember the merch them. Yeah man, that and also me have some picture of me over there. Yeah man. So you don't know I'm a merch. It's just that it says it have my face on it and it have the real talk thing. So you don't know it go. Rodney's massive, real talk massive. You don't know it go. There's some merch over there. So big up on yourself and thank you very much. And to all the people where I buy the mugs them and I buy some shirts, thank you very much. Enough respect. I appreciate everything I want to do for the channel and my journey. I'm out. Bye bye. See you soon.